Phil here, Fire Wrench Garage. We finally have the White Horse Mustang in the shop. This is a 2000 Mustang. This is a 3.8 liter, but we are going to completely tear this thing down to bare bolts, replace the engine, replace the transmission, the rear end, K-member rear gears. Tankerson's going to come out and join us as well. This one's in pretty rough shape, but I bought this down in Georgia last year and finally just getting some time to get into this car and start tearing it apart. But as you may see on the video, it's really rough. A lot of mildew and moss and stuff. This had been sitting abandoned at a military parking lot, and I picked it up. My brother-in-law picked it up on auction, and then I purchased it from him, and I'm going to start building it up. But just wanted to do a quick walk around before I start tearing all the parts out of it. Seats, carpet, everything's coming out. It's going to get a repaint in a patriotic scheme. And then the engine from my previous videos that you've probably seen. Sorry, it's behind a bunch of stuff. But this is a 5.4 2-valve with a turbo. And that's going in this car with a T5 transmission. Take a look around. You can see it's been sitting outside since I picked it up. So it's in a little rough shape. There's the mighty 3.8. That thing's going down the road. I did get the engine running. We put a new fuel pump in it. It runs really rough. Transmission is locked up, so it's pretty much junk. But that's fine. We don't care. It's all going away. I got new front bumper for it. It's for a Cobra R, because I'm going to do kind of a Cobra R inspired machine. I'm just not going to do the rear wing. I'm not really a big fan of that. This one's going to get taken off and deleted. I don't think it needs that. And I'm contemplating taking these off and doing something different with that, just to give it kind of a unique look. Wheels and tires obviously are going to be replaced because there's a new rear end that's going to go into this. That's going to hold the power a little bit better than the one that comes in the stock 3.8. But here's the introduction to the 2000 White Horse Mustang project. Please like and subscribe to the channel if you want to see the full build series on this machine. I look forward to seeing you all. Please put your likes and comments down. I want to see what you think of this project and what we have in store. Some of those things might be taken, some of them might not. I've got a pretty clear vision of what I want this car to be. So thanks for watching. Have a great Memorial Day.